Welcome back to the Pumpkin Patch. I'm your host, James Moser.
I'm Jessica Moser.
I'm JT Wheelie.
And we are in line right now for the Waves Car Wash Haunted Tunnel.
So excited.
Starting last year, the Waves Car Wash, just a normal car wash, has been turning their car washes during the month of October on special nights into drive-through haunted attractions. We were able to attend it last year, and we had a ton of fun doing that and getting the car clean. And we are now at the Waves location in Simpsonville, South Carolina. We just got one in, and we are very excited to see what this one has. And hopefully, you guys enjoy haunted car washes because there is one across the street, like a Starbucks that popped up, that is doing a haunted car wash as well that we will be covering later. So we are just now waiting in line. It seems to be extremely popular.
Yeah. Last year we just drove straight in, but this year there's a line of cars.
Yeah,
The word is out, you guys.
Yeah. Spooky car washes or no car washes at all. Give me a dirty car or a spooky car wash. That's it. There's nothing in between. Wow, that's really bright, dude. Why are you throwing on your high beams?
I think we've been in line for about 5 to 7 minutes.
Yeah, so they're going through pretty quickly. I see my boy Michael Myers up here.
Michael!
And I think the chick from The Ring is here too, so
I love your movies!
we're gonna try to film some good stuff here for you and just let you know what the experience is like. So ride with us as we get our car washed in a spooky way.
Because it's spooky season. So the special event pricing is $25 per car, and it's the premium wash here. But if you're a Waves Car Wash Club member, it's free for the Haunted Tunnel. That's pretty awesome. And their normal primo wash is usually, I think, about $18. We'll verify when we get up there. So $7 more for the spooky.
The car is still running, but we are in neutral. This is crazy.
And they'll be fine.
Oh! Hey! Hey!
Oh, wow.
Oh! We just locked the door too. Oh, hey! Whoa! Butcher here. Oh! What? Did you tell me to stop or what? Really?
Relax.
Ooh! Oh! And that does it, Pumpkin Patch. We just did the Waves Spooky Car Wash, the Haunted Tunnel. It is the second time we've done this thing, and I can say it's just as good, if not better, this year than it was last year.
It was really fun. I was the one doing the videoing, and so I tried to capture everything so you could see. Really, it's just a 2-minute experience, but it was awesome.
And got the car wash too.
Yeah.
So free spooks with a car wash.
Yep. And we vacuumed and cleaned the glass.
The characters in there were really getting it.
Oh yeah, they were definitely getting it.
They were slamming against the car. They were getting in the way. They rode on the car at one point. So they were awesome. So I really enjoyed it. Mr. Wheatley?
Loved it though. I recommend locking your doors because they'll try to get inside too.
Oh yeah. They definitely try to get in. They opened the door at one point.
They were pulling on the handles, and we did not have the doors locked. And so they opened the door at one point, but we were past the water spraying part, so it was fine. But lock your doors.
Yep.
Pro tip.
Yeah. We had a lot of fun. We enjoyed it thoroughly. We highly recommend if you have these next season. Evidently, this one is only running until tonight.
Tomorrow night it's running as well.
Tomorrow's the last night. So if you have a local spooky car wash, we highly recommend you go to it.
Definitely.
If you have a car wash that's really spooky and sketchy, we don't recommend that you go to that one.
No.
Pay for the extra scares as long as they're safe.
Yes.
But thank you for watching, and thank you for riding with the Fall Horsemen.
Where Halloween lives.
And fall is forever.
Let's get spooky and clean.